Oh yeah, there's the box for the valves.
Here's a real busy shot. Yeah. Beautiful shot.
I've had cab rides before. Nah.
Don't rate that. It's fun. It's fun.
Yeah, I don't do that kind of thing.
I wouldn't do it anymore.
Nah.
It's not set.
So what would you call them? Would they be